Yeah, welcome to Neutral Mind channel. Today we will discuss about SCC1 transaction in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, it is relevant for all the modules. Okay, all the modules. Yeah, generally in real-time system we have different clients in development server. Okay, example Golden Master unit testing and development testing. Sometimes Golden Master can be used by developers also. In this case, two only. Sometimes it is three. Okay, development client, unit testing client, and Golden Master. Generally, a functional consultant can do all the new configuration in Golden Master client. They can copy it to unit testing through SCC1 transaction. In this case, we can log in into unit testing client. There we can copy through SCC1 from Golden Master. But in S4 HANA 2020 version onwards, SCC1N introduced. N means new. Okay, new transaction introduced. In S4 HANA 2020, 2021, 2022, SCC1, SCC1N both are available. In 2023 version onwards, SCC1 is removed, only SCC1N available. This is compared to SCC1, SCC1N, it is very flexible and lot of options are there. If you don't know these options, you cannot, you can get some confusion. You need to ask some your colleagues if they know. Okay, if they don't know, you need to learn again. Okay, in this case, I will explain you total SCC1N transaction features and options in this video. Okay, first I will show you. this is my this is my 2022 version. Here if I can use SCC1 transaction, system ask you new copy new copy by transport tool available, proceed new transaction SCC1. If you can enter yes, directly it will go to SCC1. Just I used SCC1 only. Okay, if you can enter no, system will take into SCC1 only. Okay, I- otherwise if you can enter yes, it will take into SCC1N transaction. Okay, SCC1 transaction. And also I have 2023 version. I can open this 2023 version. This is my 2023 version. Here I can enter SCC1 transaction. Okay, system will ask you proceed new transaction or no. If I can enter no, system is giving the old client copy tool is deprecated. That means it is not available. Okay, so must and should it will be copied to SCC1N. Okay, SCC1N, SCC1N. This transaction available from 2023. Before 2020, before 2020 and ECC SCC1 we can use. In S4 HANA 2020 onwards both are available. Okay, 2023 onwards only SCC1 one is SCC1 N is available. Okay, in this case we can use. Okay, here we have different options. Here we can enter client transport request or task. Here what type of transport we are maintaining. Example, generally we can use W means customizing request. All SDMM FI functional consultants they can create customizing customizing TRs, normal things. Okay, ABAPers can create workbench requests. Okay, in SDMM also there is condition access sequence like some transactions and also text type creation. These all are workbench TRs can be created. You need to select this. After that, here two options are there. Source system export. Example, this is 100 is my golden master, 400 is my unit testing. I created TR here. That means I done configuration changes here. From this client to that client I want to copy. Here only I can enter. In this case I can take source system export data. Here you can enter source system. Here also you can enter source system and target system. Here one more option is there, local import update data. That means you can log into unit testing client. There you can use. Okay, first we can do some development changes. Okay, some development changes. One try. one time we can do it from 100 to 400. After that we can log into 400. Both I can explain you. Okay. First example, Vivo V8. Not only SD, all the modules it is available. Same feature anywhere. You can do some new configuration and test it. Okay. Example, my inquiry is there. Okay. ZDIN I created. Okay. ZDIN new document I am creating. Okay. Save it. While saving, it will ask you uh, this is not error, that is just a warning message. Okay, I'm creating new request. Inquiry inquiry doc created. Okay, document for pre-sales. Okay, yeah, I'm creating it. Save it. Okay, again save. Already saved. Go to SC09. SC09. Copy the TR. Okay, what we created, customizing request. Okay, inquiry. Yeah, customizing request. It is customizing request. Okay, it is my customizing request. You can copy this TR. Okay, go to SCC1N. Okay, slash n SCC1N. Okay, here you can enter your TR. Okay, and select customizing. W means customizing. Here enter 100 we created from 100. We are in 100 only. See here. We are in 100 client. Okay, 100 client from 100 to 400. Okay, 4 sorry, not 004, 400. I'm copying to 400. Here test run is there. First I can do test run. If there is any error, system will show us. Okay, show us here. Execute it. Test mode I'm executing. See, there is no errors. Finished. It is finished. Test run is finished. Copy client. See here, lot of options are there. You can see this option is not a table. Okay, how many records in that inquiry document only we created it. If you in this tier, lot of documents are there. All the records and also number of tables considered by delta copy. The number of table records proceed. Everything it will show you here. Object level. You can see the tables also v underscore tvak, these all are relevant for relevant tables. Okay, relevant tables are objects and table structure. It will show you how many number of entries, number of keys. Okay, everything it will show you. It is not available in ECC. See here, you can see here also how many records are there, how many rows are there, everything we can see here. Okay, you can check slowly. Okay, runtime also it will show you how much time it has taken, everything. Okay, we did test run, it is not copied. You can remove test run here, you can copy here. There is no error, so you can copy original run. It is taking time, maybe network issue or system performance. This is demo system, right? Yeah, it is copied early, it is not taken much time. So see objects, everything we can see. Go to open 400 client. Already I hope this is my 400 client slash n vivo v8. Okay, zdin we created, right? It is copied or not, we can check. Okay, zdin, see, created. Okay, and also I can do one more thing in 100 only. I can create one more entry. Okay, vivo v8. First, what I did, 100 I created here, 100 I did configure. From 100 to 400, in 100 only I processed, it is copied to 400. Okay, 400. Now I am creating new document. Okay, copy ZB GBIN. Okay, GBIN. Now creating, create, save it. You can use same or you can create new also, no issue. Okay, new inquiry, save it. I can copy instead of going to SC01, I can copy here only, save it. Okay. Now ZBIN created. I'm going to 400 client. Here I can copy. Okay. Slash n SCC1. If you can enter SCC1 also, it will ask you. Okay. If you can enter yes, it will take SCC1N. You can enter directly. It will get. Okay. Here I am choosing local import. That means we created configuration and tr in 100. Okay. I came here, I copied here. If you can take world T-Code SCC1, we can come to target system, there only we can copy. Here both options are there. From source client we can copy to with this option. Okay, we can copy to target system. We can log in target system. We can use this option. We can copy here. Example here 100. Okay. In this case, we cannot enter source system here. Okay. Why? Because we are in target system. We are in target system. If you want if you want to run test mode, you can run. I'm not running direct run. I'm doing now. Okay. Test and just if there is an errors are there, system will display us. Okay. That purpose we can use it. Yeah. It is success. Okay. Lot of features available. Vivo V8. Okay. ZBIN. It is copied from from 100 to 400. Like this, we can use SCC1 transaction 1N. Okay, this is new transaction. N means new transaction. There is SC16 change to SC16N like that. Okay, VF05 copy to VF05N. Like that, N means new transaction instead of old transaction with additional features. Okay, whenever SAP released new transaction, they can mention N. Their additional features they can add. Okay, they can add. This is the transaction. Here we can enter a request task. Here what type of request we can maintain. If we can use source system, you can enter here source system and target system. Okay, here also source system you can maintain, test and you can execute it. Okay, if you can use this option, log into your target system. Okay, enter everything. It is not required. This two you can maintain, execute it. Okay, test run and normal run. This is the SCC1N features. Okay, each and every consultant, not only functional consultant, technical consultant also should learn this transaction. Okay, transaction. Moving forward, there is no SCC1 in SAP. SCC1 not available in SAP. So, if you like my video, don't forget to like and comment, and also share it to your friends. Share it to your LinkedIn blogs and these things. It can help us to make more videos, and we will share all the SAP knowledge whatever we have. Okay. Uh, Thank you.